Today we're going to take a look at Trux Universal LED Projector Headlight Assembly Kits. They are DOT compliant and sold individually. They're designed to fit both driver and passenger side. They come in chrome or black and use an LED projector bulb. They have an IP67 waterproof rate and operate at a voltage from 6 to 24 volts. Their dimensions are 16 inches long, 6.9 inches wide, and 6.9 inches high. They operate in high and low beam, with high beams of 2000 lumens and low beams of 1300 lumens. They fit most Peterbilt, Freightliner, Kenworth, and Western Star trucks with rectangular headlights, and their LEDs come with a 2-year warranty. You can find links to all the products you've seen today in the video description, and check out our site at bigrigchromeshop.com.